Is Google My Business going away? That's a question that a lot of people are asking. And so in this video, I want to help you to understand exactly what's going on with Google My Business. So watch till the end and you'll get a very definitive answer as to what's exactly happening with Google My Business. First of all, as a quick recap, what is Google My Business? So for businesses who have got a local premises, either people visit them locally, so they want to attract a local audience, and they might have several branches throughout the country or various countries or whatever. So they want to put their listings onto the Google page. So if you go to Google, for example, let's say if you're a plumber and you type in plumber near me. So if you're looking for a plumber, see this listing over here on the Google page is really prominent. It's got a map on it and it's got like a few businesses listed on it. This listing gets here by using Google My Business. And if you want to know more about getting your business listed in Google My Business on the Google page, please get in touch with me. My details will be in the comments below. So what are the changes that Google are making? Why is everybody asking, is Google My Business going away? Let me explain. Firstly, Google is renaming itself from Google My Business to Google Business Profile. It's a very small change, but Google has a habit of changing stuff whenever it wants to. Yeah, I mean, previously it was known as what? Google Places or Google Local, Google Plus, and so many different things. Yeah, so now it's going to be called Google Business Profile. Secondly, Google is going to get rid of its mobile app, right? So historically, or currently, sorry, you can use you can use an app to manage your Google My Business listings. As of 2022, this is going to be completely stopped, right? So you might have a bit of a time to use it, but it will start limiting its functionality, and soon you're going to have to stop by sometime in 2022. What you'll also be able to do is you'll be able to manage your listings directly on the Google search page or the Google Maps or via a web interface. So what Google are really trying to do is that they're trying to make lives easier for small businesses to manage their listings. So rather than going inside an interface like Google My Business and editing their listings, so you might want to change your phone number or your photos or whatever, right? So now you'll be able to do it directly from the Google page. So it just makes your life a little bit more easier. And don't forget, this change is going to be primarily aimed at businesses who have got a single listing. Yeah, so if you've got a single listing, you're the sort of target audience why this change has primarily come about. The current Google My Business interface, where you edit your listings and so on, is now soon going to be renamed to Business Profile Manager. So it's just another terminology that you're going to have to get used to. But that's going to allow you to manage your listings. And it's more aimed at larger businesses who have got like several locations throughout the country or worldwide. And we have some new features. Wow, you can't do a business name change without having some new features, can we? Yeah. So one of the new features is you're going to be able to have call history. Okay, so what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to see metrics about your calls, that how many calls you've had, what's been the duration of the calls, and where the calls have come from. The details of this are very, very, very limited at the moment, but stick around, hit the subscribe, hit the notifications button so that when new features are coming out or when new updates are coming out to this new rollout, I can create new content and you'll be the first to be notified. The other feature that Google are bringing out, which I'm really excited about, is it's going to have a real-time chat facility. So you'll be able to users, your potential customers, they'll be able to search for your business, and as well as calling you, they'll be able to hit a button and chat to you in real time. So it to be text-based chat, but they'll be able to chat to you, so you'll be able to answer them in real time, and that is invaluable because if they're searching for you, right, that is the time whereby their need is the highest. You know, they want your services. They just got a query about something, and if you're answering their query, there's a very high chance that you can win their business. And also, the other change that Google are making is that they're adding a performance planner. Now, this is going to be used via Google Ads, one of my favorite platforms. So, if you've got a Google My Business listing and you want to promote it further using Google Ads, using paid ads, right? This is right absolutely priceless to you, because what you'll be able to what you'll be able to do with the performance planner is just do some type of forecasting. You'll be able to see that, hey, if I put in X amount of budget, what type of return am I likely to get, or how many calls am I likely to get, and so on. Again, details of this are very limited. So, but that is what the performance planner is planning on doing, delivering to you guys. So, in summary, no, Google My Business is not going away. It's just changing, and it's going to get better. It's going to be more easier for you guys to use, and so on. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I hope you found it useful. If you have, please hit the subscribe, hit the notifications button, so that more changes are going to come out soon, right? And when they do come out, right, I'll be creating new content. And when I do create new content, you'll be the first to be notified, especially if you're a business who currently uses Google My Business at the moment. And also, if you've got any experience of the new platform, because it is slowly being rolled out to various countries, put your comments below and let us know exactly what your experience is. Take care, guys, and I hope to hear from you soon. Bye bye for now.